Hey everyone! In this guide, I'm going to show you how to add an AI chatbot widget to your Shopify website. It only takes 2 minutes, and you don't need any special skills. First, go to Elfsight and choose the AI chatbot widget from the menu. Link in the description. Click Create Widget. Let's create your widget. Start by choosing a template that fits your needs. Click Continue with this template. Start by telling our AI chatbot about your business. Simply provide your website link or describe it manually. Upload files, add FAQs, and create text blocks to train your AI chatbot and give it the knowledge it needs to assist your visitors. Customize your AI chatbot's greeting message and add quick reply options to guide visitors and encourage engagement. Customize your AI chatbot's name, avatar, and general settings to match your brand and website. Choose a pre-designed theme or customize the colors and fonts to perfectly match your website's design. Click Add to Website to get the Embed code. Log in or sign up to Elfsight. It's free, no credit card needed. After signing up, you'll see your widget. Click the code to copy it and go to your Shopify admin panel. In your Shopify admin panel, go to Online Store Themes Actions Edit Code. Paste the Elfsight widget code into the theme.liquid file where you want the chatbot to appear. Now let's add the app to your Shopify website. Open your online store page. If you're using the Online Store 2.0 theme, go to Sales Channel's Online Store. If you're using vintage themes, the ones prior to Online Store 2.0, you can find it in the left side menu. Click on the 3 dots button and choose Edit Code. Then open the theme.liquid file in the Layout section. Paste the app installation code before the closing /body tag and save the changes. All done. Your app has been added to all pages. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.